back to Annie's family. So guys, today we are in the kitchen and we are stocking up the kitchen. Actually, you guys know what happened to me last week, okay? No, I don't want that to happen again. So normally I stock up my kitchens on Saturdays or on Sundays. So we are going to be doing bunky cookings, guys. Look at it. So we are going to be doing bunky cooking. So you guys are going to be cooking and discussing with me and Daddy Chi, okay? So he's gonna be helping me if eventually he will agree, okay? But actually he's going to be doing that. So we have here we're going to be doing 3 different meals. Like we're going to be doing stew, vegetable and okra soup. That's what we're going to be cooking. So here we have fish. This is kote. This is it kote abi titus, I don't even know. This is kote fish. We are going to be using almost all of them for we are going to be sharing it. And this is tozo, shaki and poms, which is pomo and pomo. And this is the tomato, this is shombe, and this is onions. We have onion here. This is okra for our okra soup. This is pepper, fresh pepper. You're going to be using it. This is stockfish, ugu. No, this is watermelon. This is ugu. This is another ugu. This is our okra. This is crayfish, mangi, stew stock, and this is it. And this is for grinding. Okay, guys. So we are going to be doing some gisting. Baby Chisom is actually here. Mama. So she's here. She just came into the kitchen. She was sleeping. So we're going to be doing a lot of gisting and cooking with me, okay? So let's go start it. What is that for you to do? Just I know you, trusting you. I'll beat you. I'm coming. Let me just do this thing. Okay? And see what I did. Okay, so guys, this is it. This is how I share them. Okay, this is for the stew, this is for the vegetable soup, and then this is for the okra. So yes, I have to share it. Every one of them have to have the touch. They have to have the touch of the we shared it. I hope you guys know. How the meat has already steamed. This is it. So I have to for 1 week. So I do some of them. There's sometimes I'll just make 4. You understand? Because it's not even good for you to have just one soup in the house. No. It's not good for you to just have one. So you will get tired of it. So I used to do this so and there's no sitting down place for me. I have to stand up. I'm not going straight with all these things. I have to allow the meat to soak so that your spoon can even cut it. So after, I'll then allow the soup to cool a little before stocking them back to the freezer and then to the fridge. And then we'll now be taking it while be taking it small. Not like small. Me, I can eat it. I'll be taking it and it's better. Your food will not change taste. Saves money and energy. Saves money and energy, like. Inca God, oh. Hi, I'm not even greeting you guys properly. Thank you guys for watching. Have you subscribed yet? Have you ever shared my videos? Because share to your family members. Subscribe to your family members. They might like what I'm doing. Please. Okay. So that the family will expand. My mom was supposed to come and join me. I don't know what he's doing. I'm just shouting so that you hear me and come. But he's busy inside. Besides, Baby Chisom, guys, I have a big news for you guys. Baby Chisom has started working. I'm still editing that video, so I'm still gonna be putting it, show you guys that Baby Chisom is standing and working. Yay! I get so fast, like. But you know, if you want to make your food there, after packing them, washing the ones you want to wash out, stocking it, after packing, washing out the ones you want, everything will be so easy for you to to start. Just once your meat and everything is stocked, is done, then start picking them and be putting it inside the appropriate places. Me normally, if I want to cook like this, I used to scatter everywhere. But since I found out, say when you wash out first, so they adjusting. Before it was my husband that used to do it because he doesn't, they too like when all those things are being scattered. So he would just come to the kitchen, help me and wash out the washables, blend the blendables, and then I'll just come and cook. But these days it's becoming so busy. Even our videos I was supposed to do. Our videos that I was supposed to do. Mama. Okay. I'm removing the fish because when I'm turning it, it's obviously going to be breaking. It has even started breaking itself, so there's no need of leaving it. So let me just remove the fishes. This fish can break, eh? I can't be doing 100 things at the same time. I'm busy. So I'm adding red oil, the vegetable. So I just added red oil to the vegetable, so we'll wash out our leaf. So guys, we are done cooking, and this is it. And these are vegetable. These are okra. These are okra soup. This vegetable, and this is the stew. So yes, that is it. Thanks for watching. Hey guys. So guys, we finished cooking. I'm already eating mine. I'm using vegetable. Cool. Yes. Yes, I'm using vegetable to eat this rice. Okay, and it tastes and looks so nice. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna be stocking it. I'll show you guys how I stock it. And this is basically what I do every Saturdays or every Sundays. Okay. Mama said hi guys. So the way Baby Chisom is looking at you guys. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for always tuning in. I will always love you guys. I will love you guys forever. See you guys on our next video. Bye. She doesn't want me to stop this guy.